Spray tips are vital to a premium spray finish. If you are struggling to understand why different sizes, etc., and how to figure out which size is right for you, here's a helpful guide. Combining the correct Graco RAC spray tip with your gun plays a big role in helping you create the finish your job demands. Not only does the tip determine how much fluid will leave the gun when you pull the trigger, the spray tip also determines how wide a spray fan the gun will create. Most spray tips are identified by a 3-digit code. Here is what the number means. The first number, when multiplied by 2, tells you how wide a fan the tip will create in inches when sprayed at a distance of 12 inches from the surface. The second two numbers are the orifice size of the tip in thousandths of an inch, and that determines how much fluid will leave the spray tip. For example, a 515 tip will spray a 10-inch wide fan and have a 15 thousandths of an inch orifice. A 515 tip would be ideal for spraying joinery primers onto a wide board or an industrial one-coat paint finish. It's the combination of a fan width and the orifice size that determines how thick of a coating you'll spray. Take a 317 tip and a 517 tip for example. They both have the same orifice size, 17 thousandths of an inch, but the 517 tip sprays a 10-inch wide fan while the 317 sprays a 6-inch wide fan. Because the same amount of paint is leaving the orifice of the spray tip but being dispersed across a wider fan, the 517 tip will deliver a thinner coating with less mill build. To choose the right tip for your spray project, follow these recommendations in inches. Lacquers or stains would be 0.009 to 0.013. Industrial or wood top coats will be 0.013 to 0.015. Industrial or wood primers, you're looking at as 0.015 to 0.019. On heavy latex paints and smooth elastomeric, you'll be looking at 0.025 and onwards. And then intumescent paints, you're looking at 0.25 to 0.35. Choose a tip with an orifice size rated for the paint or coating you will be spraying. Light coatings such as lacquers and stains and enamels require a small tip, while heavy coatings such as primers and latex paints require larger spray tips. Many paint manufacturers will specify recommended spray tip sizes on the container or product specification sheet. Size the spray tip according to the tip rating of your sprayer and make sure the sprayer can support the tip you are planning to use. The RAC-X spray tips are rated up to 350 bar. If your spray pump is capable of a higher pressure, it is very important to use the XHD spray tips, which are rated up to 500 bar. All spray tips will wear with normal use, and using a worn tip can cost you hundreds of pounds in wasted paint and labour. Always turn down the pressure as low as you can go, while still spraying a good spray pattern. This not only saves paint by reducing overspray, it also reduces tip wear and prolongs pump life. Reverse A clean tips, also called RAC, are the most versatile reversible tips on the market. They are available in about 200 sizes and can be used for a wide variety of coatings. With a reversible tip, you can easily clear tip clogs by simply turning the tip 180 degrees to the clean position and then triggering the sprayer. Thanks to their innovative design, RAC tips can be quickly replaced without removing the tip guard and housing. Graco's RAC-X fine finish, low pressure and low pressure switch tips offer the industry's best finish at the world's lowest airless spray pressure. Available in small sizes for fine finish applications and large sizes for large surface and high production applications, this breakthrough technology allows you to spray at up to 50% lower pressure with less overspray. Providing consistent blended finish quality with complete atomization, spraying at half the pressure, which can double the tip life. An RAC-X fine finish, low pressure and low pressure switch tips work with all airless sprayers. Graco's XHD RAC switch tip is designed for use with heavy industrial coatings that require higher pressure to atomize. They're recognised by their oversized grey handle that allows for easy rotation, even with very sticky coatings like coal tar and mastics. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video useful. For more information, visit our website. or give us a call